Hey guys, it's Sandy. In this video, I'm going to be combining different glues and we're going to see what the outcome is going to be. So the first set of glues that I'm going to be combining is Elmer's gel glue, which I've never tried before, so I'm excited to see what that's like. And then I'm going to be combining this glitter glue by Biphasic, which I've tested another color in the past. By the way, the color of this glitter glue is so pretty. I am in love. I am just combining the different glues, adding the glues into the bowl. One thing that I don't like about this particular glitter glue is really hard for the glue to come out. Like, it comes out in chunks and you really have to squeeze it, like really have to squeeze it for it to come out. For my activator, I'm just using borax and my ratio is just 1 teaspoon dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. I let it cool and then I just add it into any kind of squeeze bottle. That makes it easier for the borax to come out. I'm just gonna keep doing that until it hopefully becomes slime. This is the final result and I absolutely am in love with the color. It looks like a galaxy. Surprisingly, the glitter is still shown. Usually when you add glitter to clear glue and you activate it, it's kind of like foggy, but this slime you can still see the glitters, which I really like. It's actually kind of jiggly and it's still stretchy. It's pretty nice. I really like it. The next set of glues that I'm going to be combining is this white glue by Simply Done, which I've never tested out before. It was about $1.49 at my grocery store, and I like how it says compared to Elmer's glue. Oh, competition! Oh, better! And then the next glue is going to be the green glitter glue by Biphasic. One thing I noticed about that is it smelled really bad. Glue doesn't smell bad, okay, but this smelled really bad. The purple glitter glue actually didn't smell that bad. So I'm just adding my borax solution. I'm just going to add it slowly and gradually until it becomes slime. So this is what I got. It's really pretty. I really like the color. It looks like a really bright highlighter and it's glossy, it's clicky, it's stretchy. It's a great basic slime. The only downside is the glitter is kind of gone. You can't really see it because obviously the white glue kind of hit it. And finally, the last set of glues that I'm going to be combining is this pink glitter glue by Biphasic and wood glue from Elmer's. I figured it's not much of a difference if you were to combine a different brand of white glue and a different brand of clear glue. So that's why I'm using glitter glues for all of the sets in this video. But then again, you never know until you try. Come on. Why are you being so stubborn? Or maybe I'm just weak. Yeah, it's probably that. So I just combined the different glues into the bowl, and I'm just doing the same thing as I did with the other sets of glues. I'm adding in my borax solution until it becomes slime, or if it will become slime. With this combo, it took quite a bit of activator for it to become slime, and I think it's because wood glue does not activate with borax. After all that, this is what I got. It's really glossy and it's clicky. The only downside is it's not that stretchy. Like when you look at it, it's not over activated. Like you can still poke it. It just rips when you stretch it, which is kind of weird. It reminds me of those slimes that you would get in a store, like those jiggly ones. And that is it to this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!